Dogecoin cost presumption 2022 to 2023. Dogecoin cost generally begun in 2022 at 0.1719. Today Dogecoin exchanged at 0.0615, so the cost sort of restricted by 64 from the very start of the year. The examined Dogecoin cost fundamentally near the acknowledgement of 2022 is 0.0962. And the year-to-year change 44. The move from today to year-end 56. In the imperative piece of 2023 the Dogecoin cost will move to 0.1053. In every practical sense last part the cost would in every way that really matters lose 0.0024 and essentially close the year at 0.1029, which is 67 to the consistent cost. The action for later close to days and months: Wednesday Jul 13.00617, Thursday Jul 14.00619, Friday Jul 15.00621, Saturday Jul 16.00623, Sunday Jul 17.00625, Monday Jul 18.00627, Tuesday Jul 19.00629, Wednesday Jul 20.00631, August 15.00684, September 15.00746, October 15.00807, November 15.00869, December 15.00930. Dogecoin suspicion 2024 to 2028. These 5 years would sort of bring a key decision. Dogecoin cost would explicitly move from 0.1029 to 0.2080, which explicitly is up 102. Dogecoin will in a real sense start 2024 at 0.1029, then take off to 0.1118 inside the truly secret half year of the year, and in a real sense finish 2024 at 0.1182. That recommends 92 from today. Dogecoin supposition 2029 to 2033. In this period the Dogecoin cost would move from 0.2080 to 0.2183, which in every way that really matters is 5. Dogecoin will begin 2029 at 0.2080, then all things considered take off to 0.2101 inside the in every practical sense significant piece of the year, and in every way that really matters finish 2029 at 0.2227. It sort of is around 262 from Tada. Dogecoin cost suspicion 2022 to 2023. Dogecoin cost truly begun in 2022 at 0.1719. Today Dogecoin exchanged at 0.0526, so the cost cut back by 69 from the very in every practical sense beginning of the year. The gauge Dogecoin cost basically near the flawlessness of 2022 sort of is 0.0686. And the year-to-year change 60. The move from today to year-end 31 out of 2022. We want to explicitly see 0.0720 for every 1 Dogecoin. In the very primary piece of 2023 the Dogecoin cost will move to 0.0724. In the sort of last part the cost would especially add 0.0070. And for the most part close the year at 0.0794, which certainly is 51 to the tenacious cost. Dogecoin figure 2024 to 2028. These 5 years would bring a decision. Dogecoin cost would in every way that really matters move from 0.0794 to 0.1447, which especially is up 82. Dogecoin will begin 2024 at 0.0794, then buy and large take off to 0.0799 inside the truly secret half year of the year, and essentially finish 2024 at 0.0875. That understand 67 from today. Dogecoin gauge 2029 to 2033. In this period the Dogecoin cost would move from 0.1447 to 0.1588, which essentially is 10. Dogecoin will begin 2029 at 0.1447, then dip to 0.1534 inside the key piece of the year and finish 2029 at 0.1393. It truly is around 165 from today. 0.60120222. Dogecoin cost guess 2022 to 2023. Dogecoin cost especially begun in 2022 at 0.1719. Today Dogecoin exchanged at 0.0854. So the cost scaled down by half from the start of the year. The evaluated Dogecoin cost in every way that really matters near the summit of 2022 in every practical sense is 0.1063. And the year-to-year change 38. The moving from today to year-end 25 out of 2022. We want to sort of see 0.1116 for each 1 Dogecoin in the kind of focal piece of 2023. The Dogecoin cost will move to 0.1122. In the especially last part the cost would in a real sense add 0.0108. and for the most part close the year at 0.1230, which generally is 44 to the anticipated cost. Dogecoin check 2024 to 2028. These 5 years would in every practical sense bring a decision. Dogecoin cost would move from 0.1230 to 0.2245, which basically is up 83. Dogecoin will truly begin 2024 at 0.1230, then in a real sense take off to 0.1238 inside the vital a half year of the year, and for the most part finish 2024 at 0.1356. That gathers 59 from today. Dogecoin gauge 2029 to 2033. In this period the Dogecoin cost would basically ascend from 0.2245 to 0.2465, which especially as 10 Dogecoin will sort of begin 2029 at 0.2245, then dip to 0.2380 inside the major piece of the year and finish 2029 at 0.2161. It for the most part is around 153 from today's 0.515222. Dogecoin quote 2022 to 2023. Dogecoin cost essentially begun in 2022 at 0.1719. Today Dogecoin exchanged at 0.0866, so the cost diminished by half from the beginning of the year. The surveyed Dogecoin cost around the fulfillment of 2022 truly is 0.1144, and the year-to-year change 33. The move from today to year-end 32 out of 2022. We really want to sort of see 0.1171 for each one Dogecoin in the especially key piece of 2023. The Dogecoin cost will move to 0.1243, and for the most part last part the cost would add 0.0071 and close the year at 0.1314, which for the most part is 52 to the ceaseless cost. Dogecoin presumption 2024 to 2028. These 5 years would in every practical sense bring an improvement. Dogecoin cost would move from 0.1314 to 0.2611, which in a real sense is up basically 100. Dogecoin will for the most part begin 2024 at 0.1314, then dip to 0.1291 inside the truly key a half year of the year, and generally finish 2024 at 0.1408. The proposes 63 from today. Dogecoin measure 2029 to 2033. In this period the Dogecoin cost would sort of move from 0.2611 to 0.2782, which truly is 7 Dogecoin will essentially begin 2029 at 0.2611, then certainly take off to 0.2756 inside the exceptionally focal piece of the year and finish 2029 at 0.2634. It by and large is around 204 from today's 0.50120222. Dogecoin cost presumption 2022 to 2023. Dogecoin cost sort of begun in 2022 at 0.1719. Today Dogecoin exchanged at 0.1300. So the cost scaled down by 24 all along of the year. The explored Dogecoin cost near the satisfaction of 2022, especially is 0.14, and the year-to-year change 19, the ascending from today to year-end 8 out of 2022. We want to truly see 0.14 for every one Dogecoin, in the kind of key piece of 2023. The Dogecoin cost will move to 0.15, in the truly last part, the cost